Don't download Fintuity investment app before watching this. If you're considering downloading Fintuity investment app, pause and listen carefully. Many people assume it's a beginner-friendly investing platform, but the surprising truth is that Fintuity may not be suitable for everyone due to its focus on automated portfolios with limited customization. Fintuity offers robo-advisory services that automatically allocate your investments based on risk profiles. This sounds convenient, but here's what most people miss: the app limits control over specific stock selections or sector allocations. If you like picking individual assets or want more hands-on control, Fintuity might feel restrictive. Fees are another important factor. While the app promotes low management costs compared to traditional advisors, these fees are recurring and can reduce net returns over time. Investors need to factor this in, especially if they plan to invest large sums or hold long-term positions. Security and transparency are strong points. Fintuity is regulated and uses industry-standard encryption. Your investments are held with custodians and account data is protected. However, automated investing doesn't remove market risk. Your portfolio can still decline during downturns. The positive side is convenience. Fintuity makes it easy to start investing with minimal effort. The app provides risk assessments, rebalancing, and performance tracking all in one place. For beginners who want a set-it-and-forget-it approach, this can be appealing. In conclusion, Fintuity is ideal for hands-off investors seeking automated portfolio management and simplified investing. But if you want more control, customization, or active trading features, it may not meet your expectations. Understanding the app's limitations, fees, and approach to automation is essential before committing your money. Use it wisely, and it can be a helpful part of your investing journey.